national museums in Manila. Tara't samahan niyo kaming mag-artifact hunting. Ganon. Pero bago tayo dumako dyan sa links, puntahan muna natin yung tatlong museums na yun. Arat na!
Ang ating unang na-explore ay ang National Museum of Fine Arts. Ito ay itinatag noong 1918 to 1926. Fun fact, dito ginawa ang inauguration speech ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos o kilala bilang si BBM. At ito rin ay naging isang old legislative building bago siya naging isang museum.
Ang ikalawang museum na pinuntahan ng ating squad ay ang National Museum of Anthropology. The National Museum of Anthropology stages the Philippine ethnographic, terrestrial, and underwater archaeological collections narrating the story of the Philippines from the past, as presented through artifacts as evidences of its prehistory. Fun fact, bago ito ipinangalan sa National Museum of Anthropology, ito ay binansagan noon na Museum of Filipino People.
The third and last museum na pinunta ng ating squad ay ang National Museum of Natural History. Dito mga samlis, madidiscover nyo ang 12 permanent galleries that exhibit the rich biological and geological diversity of the Philippines. Fun fact, before naging museum ang natural history, tinawag siya noon na agriculture and commerce building.
Ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Alat na samahan niyo kami mag-discover ng mga artifacts ito. Simulan na natin sa oldest artifacts na makikita sa tatlong museums. Riley, take it away!
Hi Sunlings! Ang oldest artifact ng Museum of Fine Arts ay ang Nuestra Señora de las Nieves o sa English, Our Lady of the Snows. Ito ay na-paint gamit ang oil-on panel noong 1790 at ito ay matatagpuan sa Gallery 3. Fun fact! Itong Our Lady of the Snows ay sineselebrate tuwing August 5.
The oldest artifact naman from Museum of Anthropology ay ang fossilized right tibia fragment o ang shin ng tao, Homo sapiens sapiens mula sa Paleolithic period. Ito ay fragment ng earliest remain of modern human at 37,000 positive or negative, 11,000 to 10,000 BP or before present. It is currently exhibit at BIE Gallery.
Old in the museum. Petrified woods. The petrified woods, as we know, this is a wood. So we have collection wood from Oregon, Colorado, and Utah. From Cagayan, Northern Luzon, this petrified woods is the oldest 750,000 years old. The location of Old in the museum is Gallery 1, area number 2.
The most famous artifacts in fine arts ay ang History of Manila, or mas kilala ngayon as Filipino Struggles Through History. This was created by Carlos Botong Francisco na ipinita noong 1964 using oil-on canvas in 10 canvas panels, meaning ginawa siya sa 10 canvas panels para makabuo ng mas malaking painting. Fun fact! The original artworks are located in Manila City Hall, at ang nasa fine arts ngayon ay tarpaulin copy lamang. One of the famous artifacts of the National Museum of Anthropology is the Manunggul Jar that is located at Cabanong Lahi Archaeological Treasures Gallery. The Manunggul Jar was one of the numerous jars found in a cave believed to be a burial site. It dates from 890 to 710 BC. And the two prominent figures at the top of the handle of its cover represents the journey of the soul to the afterlife. Since the late Neolithic period, the jar became one of the important archaeological artifacts associated with the culture depicted in the Tabon Cave of Palawan. Famous in the museum. Rhinoceros. As you can see in the image, we have skeleton rhinoceros and it had tooth in 709,000 years ago, establishing the age of animal and the early human that hunted and consumed it. The location of rhinoceros is Gallery 1, area number 4.
Para sa last nating artifact, ang newest na mapapansin nyo sa Gallery 22 ay ang painting The Essence of Goodwill na nitong 2020 lang na paint. At ito ay painted oil on canvas by Theody Boyle R. Perez. Ito ay nanalo ng grand prize in the category for magnanimity. Fun fact, itong painting na nakikita nyo ay nagsisimbolize ng ancestors natin na hospitable sa mga Spanish persons. Kaya isa sa traits na sikat sa ating mga Pilipino ay ang pagiging hospitable.
Pinakabagong artifact na nalagay sa Museum of Anthropology ay gawa ng isang pinakamagaling na national artist. Ito ay si Kidlat Tahimik. Ipinapresenta ko sa inyo ang Indio Genius, 500 taon ng labanan ng kultura mula 1521 to 2021. Pinapahayag ng exhibit na ito ang The Battle for the Soul of Filipino Legacy for the past 500 years. Ang temang Indigenius ay naimbento ng kanyang ipugaw mentor na si Lopez na Uyak. Pinapahayag ang natural na talino ng mga Pilipino, especially the indigenous communities in particular. At binago ito ni Kidlat bilang Indio Genius. Sa unang tingin, para itong magulong gawa. Pero ang totoo, ipinipresenta nito ang pagkamalayang enerhiya sa kanyang kapaligiran, tulad ng mga materyales na kanyang ginamit ay mga organikong materyales. Fun fact, ang term na indigenous ay nagmula din sa local concept na sariling duwende. Ito ang munting mapaglarong elf na nakatali sa kultura ng isang tao.
New in the museum. Evolution of botanical illustration over the centuries. Botanical illustration is a significant aspect in the discovery of novel species of plants. The location of evolution of botanical illustration is Gallery 3, Area Number 3.
In conclusion, itong mga artifacts na nabanggit all throughout the blog ay magaganda at nakakatsak. Pero in my own opinion, ang isa sa pinakamaganda na nakita kong artifact ay ang History of Manila. Pero syempre di lang naman ito ang nakakatsak sa paningin nyo, kaya i-explore nyo na ang mga museum dito sa Manila.
So ayun nga mga Sunlings, nakita nyo naman siguro yung mga beautiful and attractive artifacts sa mga nabanggit na museum. Arat na at magpasyal-pasyal sa Manila at punta ng 3 national museums. Maraming salamat, and we're the Sun Squad signing out.